Happy Navratri to all of you, dear students. आज से नवरात्रि स्टार्ट हो गई है। माता रानी की कृपा हम सभी पर बनी रहे। इसी उम्मीद के साथ आज की क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं। सो इन माय प्रीवियस क्लास वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट सम PYQ related to surface areas and volume. Two questions we have already discussed, and now let us discuss two more questions. So first question is, what is the total surface area? What is the total surface area? TSA. Okay. Of a solid hemisphere. What is the same? Hemisphere of diameter D. Means you have to find out the total surface area of hemisphere in terms of D. D means diameter, right? So first of all, just remember what is the formula of total surface area of a hemisphere. Because in the starting itself I have told you that this chapter is totally based on formulas and diagrams. If you know formula, you can solve this, otherwise null. You can't do anything. So formula for total surface area of a solid hemisphere of radius r is 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square, where r is the radius of hemisphere, right? But this formula is written in terms of radius, and you have to write this formula in terms of diameter. Instead of r, you have to convert this into diameter. So we can write like this. Okay, 3 pi. Sorry. Okay. 3 pi. Instead of r, what we have to write? D. So we know that r is equal to d by 2. Radius is half of the diameter. So instead of r, we can write d by 2. R is equal to d by 2. So instead of r, what we are going to do? We are going to write d and r in terms of d. Means r के बदले हम d लिखेंगे, ठीक है? तो r को हम d के फॉर्म में कैसे लिख सकते हैं? d by 2. d by 2. And here it is square. So we have to put it like this. Okay, nothing. What I have done? We have written the same thing, but we have expressed radius in terms of diameter. That's why this converted into 3 pi into d by 2 whole square. Let us see what's happened. This is equal to 3 pi d by 2 square is equal to d square by 4. d square by 4. d square by 4. Again it can be arranged like this. 3 by 4 pi d square. Actually I have to write a small because lesser space is there. So this can be written as 3 by 4 pi d square. 3 by 4 pi d square. So either we can write TSA, total surface area of a solid hemisphere, is equal to 3 pi a square or 3 by 4 pi d square. Both are same. This formula is in terms of radius and this formula is in terms of diameter. In fact, this is MCQ asked in 2023. Options are given. So from there we have to select. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. What is the question? Let us try to read. A curved surface area, means CSA. Here we are in this question we have discussed about TSA, total surface area, and in this question we are discussing about curved surface area, means CSA. Curved surface area of a cylinder, here hemisphere and here cylinder, of height 5 cm. Height of the cylinder is given, this is equal to 5 cm, is 94.2 cm square. Means here up to here two informations are given. Which are? First, height of the cylinder, this is equal to 5 centimeter square, and CSA, curved surface area of the given cylinder, is equal to 94.2 centimeters. These two informations are already given in the question. Now let us read the question and try to understand what we have to find out. So let us continue. What is the radius of the cylinder? What is the radius? मीन्स R की वैल्यू आपको निकालनी है, H की वैल्यू दी हुई है और CSA कर्व सरफेस एरिया दी हुई है, तो आपको किसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है? R की। यहाँ एक चीज और मेंशन किया गया, व्हाट इज मेंशनड हियर? टेक पाई इज इक्वल टू 3.14, टेक पाई इज इक्वल टू 3.14. Especially dear children, if it is already mentioned in the question that you have to take the value of this pi is equal to 3.14, then you have to use, you must use this value. Otherwise you are free either to use 22/7 or 3.14. So let us see, let us try to find out what will be the value of radius of this cylinder. Okay, so we already know from the formula, again repeating same thing, you must know, you must remember all the formulas, otherwise you can't do anything. Here also you saw that if you don't know formula you can't do. Here also if you don't know formula you don't know. So please, it's my request, please remember all the formulas related to this chapter. So curved surface area of cylinder is equal to pi 2 pi r h. ये ऐसे सिलेंडर रहता है, ठीक है, उस सिलेंडर का ये जो बेस होता है वो सर्कल के फॉर्म में होता है 2 पाई आर h. ये आपका सर्कमफ्रेंस हो गया, सो क्या हो जाएगा 2 पाई आर एंड h. सो द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सिलेंडर इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर h. नाउ according to question 2 pi r h means curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 94.2 centimeter square. Means 2 pi r h is equal to 94.2 centimeters. Just pay attention, just see this information very carefully. Your answer is hidden here, only one step left. Here 2 is constant, pi it is already given 3.14, h is given, this is 5, only one value is there, this is r, which is unknown and which is to be found. So what we will do, we will substitute all the values except r, which is to be found out. So 2 into 3.14 into r into 5 is equal to 94.2 centimeters square. Now what you have to do, you have to find out the value of r. So keep r here and transfer all of this value from RHS to RHS. Okay, so all these are in multiplication. So what you will do, 94.2 divided by 94.2 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 5, and this is the calculation part which you have to do. Okay, so after simplifying this, after calculating this, you will find that r is equal to 3 centimeter. R is equal to 3 centimeter. Means radius of this cylinder will be equal to 3 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, so in fact this carries 1 mark, this also carries 1 mark. But if you don't know formula, if you don't write steps properly, you can't get. Only tick. So that may be after solving only, after simplifying only, you can select the correct option. So dear children, practice more PYQ related to this chapter, but always remember formulas, all formulas, and try to draw diagram whenever needed. Correct diagram, not diagram. Okay. So that's all for my today's class. We will see some more PYQ in my next class. Once again, Happy Navratri. Happy Navratri to one and all. Okay. Happy Navratri. Thank you.